What's going on, guys? I'm here in the studio with Andrew, and I'm going to show you one of the ways that I shoot e-commerce looks, like full body e-commerce. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but this way is kind of a way that I found works really well. So for my main light, I've just got a strobe bouncing into a V-flat just to kind of illuminate the whole scene here. And then as my background light and also kicker light, I've got just a softbox, or really in this case, it's an octabox, and I've got it feathered towards the wall. And what that's doing is it's leaving just, if I look from this angle, it's leaving almost a strip box worth of fabric that it's shooting through to hit him directly, and then the rest is exposing the background. So we can get a nice, almost pure white background, full body shot with just these two lights. So it's a pretty simple setup. We're gonna go and shoot a couple things, and then we'll go ahead and show you what the final image looks like. So one thing that you'll notice with these shots, he's getting a little bit of kicker light around the edge, and that's coming from, again, the direct light coming off this octabox. So it's not really exposing, I mean, it's exposing just enough of the background. It's not completely pure white right now, but all we have to do is go into a curves layer here and just bump that up a little bit. So it'll get pretty much to pure white. It's a simple edit to get it to where it's something you can use on Amazon or any other e-commerce site. So if you have any questions or comments, leave those below, and I'll see you in the next one.